Hi everyone. Here is the class, the basic of computer. Let's go ahead the lesson about how to use the mouse and keyboard. There are some using motions of the mouse we usually use. First is click. Click is press the button once. Like this. Now, it's the practice time. Please follow my step. On the desktop, you can find a folder named Practice Game. Click it with the left button and press Enter on your keyboard. Enter is on the middle of the right side of your keyboard. Then, click the Click Practice and press Enter again. You will see this. Click this once, and click this once, and then click Allow once. If you succeed, you can start to play and practice. Therefore, how to play? You can find the roll's finger can poke the bubble, and if you click the left button on your mouse once, the roll would jump, which can help you finish the game more quickly. If you want to learn more, please check the next video.